In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it is a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from one of our happy customers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.